I'm 10, your host, obviously.
Hello and welcome, YouTube. You might notice something right away that my background is not my usual one. That is because I'm not home at the moment. That's right, I'm actually on vacation. And, well, me and my family are currently on the other side of the country. So here I am in a hotel, and I actually found some cool things on one of the gas stations. It's mystery boxes. I don't know what these are. They are called something about cats. There it is. Kitty corner, candy surprise, and there's apparently something else in there. I started taking off one of the things, and so we're gonna unwrap this and some other things I found. The box is a little beat up because it was in my bag, but it's Finders Keepers. I think they're kind of like Kinder Eggs, but not quite sure. I got a Peppa Pig one and a Hot Wheel one. So let's see which ones I get. We're gonna start off with this. It looks like a cat carrier. I think it's actually really cool looking. Alright, so open that up. Pull it out. These are sweet tarts. Let me see how they taste. Yeah. Yep, definitely smell like sweet tarts. I'm gonna try a green one. It's kind of clever looking because if you look at it, kind of looks like a little fish. In fact, they all look like fish, just different types of fish. Yep, tastes like a sweet tart. And there's a couple of things inside. There is a list of which ones you can get. You can get Bella, Roxy, Max, Cooper, Duchess, and Oliver. And that's it. So the one I got is, I think that is Bella. She's a playful, loving lap cat. She likes to get cozy and will cuddle for hours. It's actually really cute looking. And like I said, it's really cute, the pet carrier. Sorry. If you actually look at it, it actually could be used for like American Girl dolls or maybe even Barbie dolls. And it's kind of realistic enough. Alright, let's open the other one. I don't have my knife with me, unfortunately, so I'm not able to open up these things easier. Okay. Go. Which state I found this in? And again, it's the same list. I can get that one out. Wow. Yep. I got Oliver. See? Oliver is an even-tempered, intelligent, and playful. He will instigate a game with anything available. Reminds me of the cat from Oliver and Company, that Disney movie, where that kitten gets adopted by that dog herd or pack or whatever it was, and then eventually gets adopted by that girl. And I think there was like a Chihuahua that hooks up with like a poodle or something. That was funny. So apparently they're cute. Alright, so that's that. My kids are going to like the candy in the morning. And then the next thing is the Finders Keepers Peppa Pig. As you can see there, you can get like one of three. maybe even more. Nutrient facts. Oh, here they are. These are all the possible ones we can get. Alright, let's see what we have. I don't know how to open this. Let's rip it off. So, it's not like a Kinder where the egg would be on the inside. It's literally on the outside. And here's the egg. Again, I think that's because in America you can't have food coated toys. Because apparently somebody's gonna choke on them. So let's open this up. Okay. We got fireman, or no, police officer. Copper. It's a copper. There we go. I have no idea who this is. Unfortunately, I don't watch Peppa Pig. It's that one right there. Let's see if they have a name for it. According to this, that is Policeman Freddy Fox. Okay. He's cute. Okay, let's see how the chocolate tastes. I've actually had real Kinder eggs. They're actually really good. This one doesn't look all that appealing. But to be fair, it was in my car for a few days. So it's melted and unmelted a few times. Let's see how that affects the taste. It's not bad, but it's got that same quality of dollar store candy. The slight, cheap, overly chocolate flavored ones. It's not bad though. Kids will eat it. Okay, the last one is the Finder Keeper Hot Wheels. Same concept. Here's all the ones that you can possibly get. Okay, let's open it up. I'm going to save the egg for the kids. Okay. Looks like a mini wheel. Okay. Why is that not opening? Okay. It is a very small Hot Wheel. This one is twin mill. You can see right there. Twin mill. It's not that detailed, but it's a cheaper plastic. It's not made of metal. Almost looks like it could be a transformer or like part of another vehicle that's like a shield. But it's cutely detailed. And yes, I'm saying cutely because it's so tiny. Not quite the size of a micro machine, maybe a little bit bigger. I think one of my micro machines is about that big. But about on par with them. Let's go with that. Not bad. Alright, folks. Well, that was my video. I hope you enjoyed it because I enjoy making these. And hopefully by the time you see any more of my videos, I'll be back at home videotaping ones with my normal setup. Until then, peace. Have a great day, YouTube.